introducing yourself, your background, and what you do.
Okay. My name is Gary Paquin. I work for Recology Portland, and we are a commercial trash hauler with trash recycling, food waste, construction debris, different types of recyclable commodities. And I'm an account manager for Recology, and been doing it for almost 7 years.
Were you always in the environmental studies type field, or did you do anything before you started working here?
I wasn't before I started with Recology, so I've learned a lot since I've been here. I have been mainly in the building industry before that.
What's a typical day-to-day look like as an account manager here?
I spend most of my mornings in the office taking care of customer questions, problems, sometimes putting out fires if need be. Taking care of requests from drivers and operations and stuff, and reaching out to customers if that's needed. After that, I'm out in the field either visiting customers or trying to find new business. And visiting customers could encompass just dropping in, seeing how they're doing, or going there for a specific reason to take care of a specific question or problem. So.
And what type of services can you offer your clients?
Helping them get right-sized with their service, and always helping to advise them and educate them on how they can get higher diversions.
And do you mind defining diversion for anyone who might not know what that means?
Yeah, diversion is how much you can divert out of the landfill. So, meaning if there's stuff that it can be recycled that's going in the trash, let's see if we can get that out of the trash and into the recycling cycling. And then same with like food waste. If they're throwing a lot of food in the trash and they can maybe divert that and set up a food waste service, then that's gonna get a higher diversion as well.
What other things can Recology do for people?
We offer a cleanscape service, so certain businesses hire us to go around and make sure that their surfaces around the building are clean and free of trash. We also have a material recovery facility, so a lot of construction debris and what we call mixed dry waste can go there, and that gets sorted out and diverted. People can drop stuff off there, or we actually can haul it there for customers. Just depends on the needs of each individual.
You can pick up trash, you can pick up recycle, you can pick up food waste. What are some of the things you do with food waste or with recycle?
Well, the food waste that we service on our routes ends up going to the Metro Transfer Station, and then that gets taken to the biodigester, and it gets turned into biofuel.
Cool.
Other sorts of composting we can do in what's called roll-off or drop box service, like yard debris and things like that. We can haul that, and that generally goes to our material recovery facility. And then that gets either turned into compost, or if it's big limbs and things like that, that can get ground up as what's called hog fuel to feed furnaces and things like that. So.
That when I was looking up Recology online, I talked about how you're headquartered in San Francisco, and one of the cool projects they did was, what was it? They took cork and made it into a kitchen floor. Is there anything else? Any other interesting projects you guys have done?
We have what's called Artist in Residence program, where they have artists that go into the facilities, they pull whatever scrap they can find, think they can use, and then they turn it into art. So we have several food processing plants we work with in the Portland area. It's all vegetable waste, vegetable or fruit. Those are going into those bins, and when they're full, we take them out to local dairy farms and feed cows with them. So it's a win-win.
What would you say is the best thing that people can do if they want to become more environmentally conscious?
I think to be as educated as possible about what is recyclable, what's not recyclable, and then the best way to recycle things. For example, wood is recyclable, but you can't put that in with your commingle recycle. That has to be recycled a different way. Yeah, reduce, reuse, recycle, the 3 R's. Just knowing that there's an order to that. So reduce is the highest order you can do. So reducing is like how you're going to plan on, say, building a house, and use in the most sustainable way, using the fewest materials. Reuse is the next highest, the next highest level. Or when you're tearing a house down, instead of just bulldozing it, taking it apart piece by piece, so you reuse as much as you can. Recycling is also a great thing to do. It's not as high level as reduce or reusing, but that's the next step. Anything that can't be reused, and if it can be processed and recycled, then that's the next best thing.
Well, thank you so much, Gary. Honestly, I really appreciate you coming out and meeting with me today.
It's been a pleasure.
Look forward to hearing more things from you guys.
Yeah.